At Orbbo, we don't just process botanicals. We engineer them for global reliability, safety, and consistent performance. Our Fenugreek powder is produced through a controlled, export-ready processing framework developed to deliver consistency, safety, and dependable functionality for international markets. The process begins with the careful sourcing of mature Fenugreek seeds from trusted cultivation partners operating under sustainable and traceable agricultural systems. Only seeds that meet Orbbo's internal quality benchmarks for size, maturity, and uniformity are accepted for processing. The seeds undergo structured cleaning through both mechanical and manual selection systems. Dust, foreign particles, and non-conforming materials are removed to establish a hygienic and standardized raw material base. The cleaned seeds then enter a regulated conditioning phase. During this stage, moisture parameters are carefully balanced to stabilize the material while maintaining its natural functional components. Controlled drying further refines moisture levels, supporting shelf stability and optimizing milling performance. Once conditioned, the Fenugreek seeds are processed using food-grade grinding technology. The result is a fine, uniform powder with consistent texture and reliable flow characteristics, suitable for formulation applications. Precision sieving follows, ensuring standardized particle size distribution and repeatable batch-to-batch performance tailored to end-use requirements. The powder undergoes sterilization and comprehensive laboratory testing for microbial safety, heavy metals, and overall purity, meeting international export and regulatory standards. The finished organic Fenugreek powder is packed under controlled conditions, securely stored, and distributed to markets worldwide. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurtured through sustainable practices, uncompromising food safety, consistent quality assurance, and zero pesticide use, all with a touch of care and dedication. We are Orbbo,